Hi, it's Tim Sattler here at Bank Chevrolet Buick GMC in beautiful Concord, New Hampshire. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm excited to talk about the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado, and we're talking 1500 half-tons today. And we're using this great-looking LT Trailboss. Now, the LT Trailboss is one of our best sellers because it offers great features at a great value. For example, this is one of our lifted trucks. 2-inch lift right from the factory, ready for off-roading, all covered under the GM warranty. And what does the LT Trailboss offer us? It's a monochromatic look, as you can see, with blacked out trim. It looks great in this maroon. We've got some great looking black wheels, and that extends the length of the truck. Got this great raised hood up on top there, also with the black contrast. The LT Trailboss offers a variety of configurations within its trim, from an entry level with a cloth interior and very basic options to a loaded truck with leather bucket seats and a sunroof. The list goes on and on. We've got 4 different engines available, 8-speed and 10-speed transmissions, our auto track 4-wheel drive system, so you get great sure-footed handling off-road. It comes standard with our locking rear axle, so it's a capable truck with plenty of power. That 2-inch lifts make it capable off-road, and it's a great looking truck. Specifically though, it has all the things that you've come to appreciate in a Chevy Silverado. Our corner step bumpers to climb into the bed, multiple different tailgate configurations. The bed has 12 tie downs already built in, making it easy to secure your cargo without having to add any accessories. We've got interior features like heads-up display and sunroofs, dual-zone automatic climate control, and of course, all the safety features you'd expect in a modern car, and more conveniences like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So it's a great-looking truck. It's got great functionality and great value, offers a lot of flexibility in the configuration, and provides a great platform for an off-road adventure. Come on down to Bank Chevrolet Buick GMC here in Concord, New Hampshire. Check out this great Silverado, LT Trailboss, or any of the other trucks we have in stock. I'm sure we can find one to meet your needs.